Hello, good morning, students. Last week we were talking about writing skills, correct or not? And in that writing, not last week, yesterday also we completed one experiment. Do you know? Bubbles. We have to take water in the mug and then we have to blow the air in that straw, which is made of which is made of what? Which is made of a paper, and then bubble comes because of detergent powder. Bubbles are coming out from where? From paper straw. And after that I told you on next page here it is told that read and understand. You have to read this and then we have to understand some things. Some points are there that we have to understand. Now what is given here? Fruits are good for health. That everyone knows. Fruits are very good for health. We should eat fruits daily. I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears and guavas. Okay, here it is told that there is a normal, what we call normally, everyone knows that everyone loves apples, pineapples, guavas, pears. Everyone loves them, correct or not? Grapes. Now there is season. Now season of grapes will start after 1 or 2 months. So here guavas are going on. Now we eat guavas, means what? Peru, correct or not? Grapes and mangoes will start after 1 or 2 months, correct? Many times. And apples we get many times, correct or not? For 5 to 6 months we get apples in the country, correct? Eating fruits will keep you strong, healthy and active. If you eat fruits, what happens? Fruits are keeping us, or fruits keeps us active, correct? What do fruits do? Fruits keeps us active, strong and healthy. Now here one sentence is given. A comma is used to separate words of same series and give a soft pause while reading. Correct? Here comma is used. Can you see here? Comma is used. How can we read this then? Here it is. For example, here now. I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears and guavas. So what we do? We take soft pause. एकदम छोटा सा pause घेतो. Apples, mangoes, pineapples, understood? Pears and guavas. When we take soft pause, why do we take that soft pause? Because after every word comma is given. And comma is what? Comma is punctuation mark in English language. Okay. Now here it is told that a comma is used to separate words of same series and give a soft pause while reading. It gives a soft pause while reading. Now let's list down the things in our classroom using commas. Now which all things are there in our classroom? We will write down. Okay. Our classroom has a blackboard. After blackboard, comma is there. A table, comma, desk, comma, projector, comma, more what you can write down? Dustbin, comma, door, comma, windows and what is given at last? And charts. So you can write down these all answers. Projector, a projector, door, windows. You can add some more. What else is there? Duster is there, chalks are there. So you can add as many as words by giving commas. Understood? You can write down as many as words by giving commas. Understood? Please complete that chart. This chart is there in your book. You have to complete that chart in your book. Understood? And keep in mind, to give a soft pause in the sentence, comma is used when there are many series of words, correct or not? If you want to take names of many words together, at that time we use commas, correct? For example, I like flowers like rose, comma, lilies, comma, jasmine, comma, gulmohar, comma, marigold, comma. In this way, when we use a series of words together, at that time we use comma in a sentence. Understood? And it gives soft pause in the sentence. Have you understood? In this way, we have completed portion of examination. Monday onwards, our exam is there. You have to prepare for exam and you have to come in school and give examination. Understood? Okay. Thank you.